Hey everyone, this is Mohit. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are stepping into the major topic in UiPath, that is UI automation. I'm really excited because we are moving into advanced concepts in UiPath and will learn web-based automation together. Now, let's move ahead and learn about UI automation. UI automation means automating tasks on any application screen, not just browsers. Now, let's look at the advantages. The very first one removes human mistakes. Second, saves a lot of time. That obvious. Third, works with any application, but it depends. It depends on feasibility check, requirements, and all, and works 24 by 7 non-stop work. It also increases employee productivity, correct? A main question that comes to our mind is when should we use web-based automation? Here you can see the example and can relate. And let me know if you have any doubt and mention on the comment section. For our test or demo, we will use this website, that is acme-test.uipath.com. Let's quickly jump to the short video. In our automation processes, we mostly use modern activities instead of classic activities. So let's look at the basic definitions of both. The very first one, modern activities, are the newer set of UiPath activities designed to make automation easier, smarter, and more reliable. Here we have few advantages or benefits. The very first one, smart UI detection. Modern activities can automatically detect buttons, text boxes, or text fields and elements on screen with higher accuracy. The second one is easier for beginners. As title says, modern activities require less manual configuration, so new learners can build automation very quickly. The third one, they work better with modern web apps, dynamic UI, and complex interfaces. Now, the other side, the classic activities, are the older set of UiPath activities used to automate applications and UI elements. While they still work for existing projects, and they are not as flexible as modern activities that are not recommended for the new development. First, that's Office, older style activities designed in the earlier versions of UiPath, less automatic element detection. Now, we will see how to enable classic activities in UiPath Studio. Moving on, another important part throughout your UiPath journey is selectors. We talk about them all the time because without selectors, we cannot perform UI automation. Now, let's discuss what selectors are. Selectors are like the address of an element on the screen. They help UiPath find and interact with buttons, text boxes, links, or anything you want to automate. In our today's session, we will learn about strict selectors, and the remaining types and advanced details we will cover in upcoming sessions. And finally, our last theoretical topic for today. I know it might feel a bit boring, but trust me, it's really important. Wildcards are special symbols, just like asterisk and question mark, used in selectors just to replace changing or unknown text. They make your automation more flexible and reliable when part of the selectors keeps changing. The first one, asterisk, that matches multiple characters like title is equal to report hyphen asterisk. It could be report hyphen 123 or report hyphen date timestamp, right? Now another is question mark. That matches a single character like title is equal to file underscore question mark underscore data. Question mark could be one, for example, file underscore one underscore data. That's it. Let's switch to the UiPath Studio and try this out practically. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Your support really keeps me motivated to create more awesome videos. Thank you, everyone.